All right, deck the halls. Let's get on into it. So our first thing is a C chord. Has the pinky there and the 3 on the bottom. 2, 0, 1, 3. So we're gonna hit that as a chord. We're gonna go 1 open on the first string to 4 and 3 on the third and second strings. So that's our first measure. And then we're gonna go to an open and 1 on the third and second strings. To the 3 on the second string, to the little 1 open, and then back to the 2, 0, 1, top 3 strings of a C chord there. So open and 1, 3, open to 2, 0, 1, and that's the first half of the first part of the song. So one more time we go. Now the second half, we're gonna go 4 and 3. So these are all kind of quick. We got 4 and 3, open 1 on the first string, 3 on the second string. Then we're gonna hit the open 1 and open part of the C chord, these bottom 3 strings here. Have a 3 there at the end, and then open 1, open second string, 2, 0, 1. So the second half again was 4 and 3, 0, 1, 3, and then chord, 0, 1, 0, 3, and then open and 1, open second string, 2, 0, 1 up here. So let's look at that whole first part, and this whole first part's gonna repeat also. So we got okay, we'll do it again. I'll do it real slow. So okay, we've done that twice. So now we're gonna do part B. We're gonna have 4 and 3. Okay, so we go 4 and 3, and then we have open 1 on the first string, and we're back to the 4 and 3. So now we're gonna hit the open 1 open, bottom 3 strings, 1, 3 on the first string, and then we're going open, open 3 on the biggest strings there, part of a G chord there. So we got okay, one more time on those. 4 and 3, 0, 1, back to the chord there, and then 0, 1, 0, and then 1, 3 to open, open 3 on the biggest strings. Now we're gonna have open and 2 on the first string, to 5 and 3, and then 5, 7 on the first string, and then 7 on the second string with 8 on the first string. And then we're gonna flip that around and go 8 and 7. 7 and 5, and then open, open 3 on the bottom 3 strings. So that new part was 0, 2, 5 and 3, 5, 7, 7 and 8, and then flip it, 8 and 7, 7, 5, open, open 3. Okay, so let's look at that new part again. We got back to the first part. Now we have a new kind of ending here. So that was 6 and 5 on the bottom 2 strings. And hit the little 5 3 more times. Then we have a chord that's open 1 and 3 on the bottom 3 strings. Little end note on that measure, that 1 right there, and then so that was 1 and open on the bottom 2 strings, and then that 4 and 3, and then the 2, 0, 1. So that's the ending, the first ending. So we're gonna go through it all again. We're gonna have a slightly different ending. The other ending is gonna just go. It's gonna have little open, then 3, and then 2, 0, 1. So let's go ahead and through everything. We got part A, we got do all that again. Okay, part B. ending part. Okay, that little ending one more time. We got 6 and 5, 3 more 5s, and then a 0, 1, 3. Then little 1 to open, to 3 on the second, 2, 0, 1. Here's a little trick when you're doing this chord, you want to come away from that. I'll kind of mute that big string so it doesn't ring over. Sounds cleaner this way if you can get that big one muted. So here we go. Deck the halls. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Got a tab with this, like I say. We'll see y'all soon. Thanks.